Your digital form can be saved as a .eForm file to your local PC. As part of the Forms Designer installation process, a folder in your Documents directory called My Forms was automatically created. Forms Designer will attempt to save your eForm files to the My Forms folder by default. Form updates are automatically saved every 5 minutes to the autosave folder while working in Forms Designer to prevent lost work. However, we still recommend manually saving the form to a familiar file location when making changes. The autosave feature should be treated as a backup. In the upper left-hand corner of the screen, click on the File icon and select Save. The first time you save your form, you will be required to name it. This name will appear on your user's mobile device as the form name. You can name it whatever you like. Spaces are allowed for form names, however, you may not use special characters. It is recommended that you set a title for the form during this step as well. The form title will be appended to the form name in the field-to-base system and will consist of region values entered by the user. This will allow users and admins to differentiate specific form submissions. Once you have set your form name and title, select OK. By default, the file name will be the same as the form name. Choose the file location where you wish to save your form and select Save. For more information on using Forms Designer, visit the Forms Designer section of our Help Center at help.fieldtobase.com.